And here we are on the first day of the Tai Chi Body Program. Welcome to you. The first step is stillness. Feet together, knees bent. The middle finger is touching the side, and I lift my hands to leave a little gap, and then it's my armpits. My tongue is rolled up. Resting lightly on my upper palate, I can always relax my shoulders a little bit more. And we're gonna stay still. You want to focus on every single sound. And then, the silence between the sounds. You want then to focus on the sensation of the clothing on your body, the contact of the feet on the ground. Slightly open your eyes and try to detect every single object, and then the space between the objects. This is step 1 of Tai Chi. You are now fully centered. Enjoy every step.